Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He blessed us with the ni'mah, this deen, which is a straight pathway. When it is called straight pathway, what's that mean? Straight pathway means the quickest and easiest pathway. You know, these days when you're doing the navigations, there are sometimes the pathways are, you know, going as a tedious, but there are some straight pathway, quickest pathways. And then sometimes there are toll pathways, or there are some without toll pathways. Without toll pathways are long pathways, you know, because you are saving your money. And those who are told, you are spending your money. There is a, when you want to go to straight pathway, there is also one thing you need to remember: you have to do some effort, like a toll. You have to pay some price. You have some way to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How we can please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? We can do physical sacrification, like we are praying, and we are having the psalm, like Ramazan. This is one way to sacrifice physical. Another thing, sacrification is by mal. So we spend our charities, like in zakat, and also in hajj we spend our mal to go. But at the same time, the beauty of hajj is that it has a physical sacrification, and the charity also, the mal, you're spending the wealth from your pocket. So this is a double way to earn good deeds, from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Similarly, when you are giving the charities, you are also sacrificing animals for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You feeding other people. Over there, you also spend your mal. So there is a two way to earn our good deeds: by physical and by spending our mal in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He made a shortcut and quickest and straight pathway, but you have to do something in your life. It's not like we want to reach the destination, and we want to go quickly, but we're not going to drive our car. We're not going to do any effort. We're not going to spend any money, anything. We have to do all these sacrifications, all this work. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He promised that inshallah this straight pathway will be the quickest pathway, but you need to promise yourself that you're gonna do efforts. So that's why amanu, and after this is amilu salihat. The next thing is that we have to earn the good deeds, and the good deeds are, like I said, basically physically, and you have is by spending your mal. When it comes to physical things, the physical thing means that you are doing ibadat and things like that, but at the same time, your akhlaq and all these things are also from the human being. If you control your anger, you control your shar from other people. Like people, they have goodness in their physically, they have inside, and they have also bad things. Everybody can do bad to other people. Very simple. The poorest and the weakest person can sit down and talk against some big celebrity, big powerful person, like the king of the land. He can sit down and he can talk anything. He can backbite, he can do bohtan, he can curse him, he can use bad words. Nobody can even stop him. Even he's the weak person, he's the poorest person, he has nothing, but he's sitting and talking with his friends and doing backbiting about a very strong person who is having all the resources and the strength, and who can do anything against this person. But since this is just sitting and talking someplace, people, they ignore it. So there is a shar inside. Everybody can do anything bad, worse, and at the same time a person can do good things, everyone. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, فَأَلْهَمَهَا فُجُورَهَا وَتَقْوَاهَا. We have a fisk of fujur. That means we have a tendency to do the wrong, and at the same time we have a tendency to do the right things. So what we have to do, we have to stop our bad tendency, negativism things, and we have to spread the positivity. So this is something we need to learn, inshallah. So if we have this tendency, positivity, we can continue earning more and more good deeds. And if we have a negative tendency, then we have more and more sins to collect. So this is something we have it. Now we have to sit down and think about ourselves. What is in the basket or in the book of my deed? What I am collecting into my basket, is a flowers or I'm collecting the thorn, what I am collecting. So this is something really we need to understand and decide our journey. Are we going to Jannah or we are going towards the hellfire?